Hey everybody, welcome back to the second episode of the Delta Rockwell refurbish of the 1962 Delta Rockwell. This is a 15-inch utility drill press, and I just love the look of this machine and excited about this second part, which is mainly the motor. I'm going to be working on the motor today, and we're not going to tear into it and replace bearings or anything like that, but it does run fine, so I want to just clean it up and make sure it's looking the best it can. So thanks again for liking and subscribing, being part of this channel. I'll do my best not to disappoint you. I do take the time with my builds and make sure that they look the best they can. So you're not going to see me pumping out one every week, but we'll certainly do our best to provide good quality content for you. Thank you, God bless, and enjoy. I received this magnetic wristband for Christmas one year, and it really is good for keeping all of the nuts and bolts together and also not rolling off the table, etc. Krud Kutter is a great degreaser for things like this. I used it quite a bit throughout the project. I picked up this electronics cleaner for the switch because I noticed whenever I was testing it that it was working sometimes, it wasn't working other times, so I figured that the contacts were just dirty. This copper wire wheel was really good. It's not quite as aggressive as the steel wire wheel, and I used it quite a bit throughout the project. I know this chuck key isn't really part of the motor, but just happened to be in the video clip I was working on, so I just threw it in there for a little bonus. Just a little tip for everybody out there. Whenever I do these edges, I always use a new blade. It seems to work so much better getting a clean cut around things like this. Yes, every screw, every nut, every bolt I used the wire wheel for to clean them up. So originally I thought of going with this gray paint to match the original paint, but I decided I wanted to go a little different direction and went with the black and then this chrome paint. This Spaz stick is a little overpriced, and I probably would, if I did it again, I wouldn't use it because I felt like it was just overpriced for it. Turned out to be more like a bright aluminum than chrome, so just a word to the wise. Though it wasn't a chrome look, I ended up liking the bright silver because it matched a lot of the other parts. So as an accent, I think it turned out pretty good. Thank you once again for viewing this episode, episode 2. I am releasing all of the episodes at the same time, so you should be able to get to any part of this drill press refurb as soon as the first one is released. They'll all be released. So thank you again for viewing. God bless. Have a great day.